The art of woodworking. Free download, link in description.
The Bosch JS572EK top handle jigsaw is a powerful and precise tool designed for a variety of cutting tasks. Its standout features make it an attractive choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. One of the key highlights is the low vibration achieved through the state-of-the-art counterbalancing mechanism. This mechanism minimizes blade deflection, ensuring true and exact cuts. The 7.2 amp motor, highest in its class, provides ample power to handle heavy loads, making it versatile for various applications. The one-touch blade change system is a convenience booster, allowing fast blade insertion and ejection without the need to touch a hot blade. The absence of a dedicated space for dust collection might be a drawback for some users, but the tool's other features compensate for it. The variable speed control, with a max speed dial and accelerator trigger, offers precise control over the cutting process. Bosch's constant response circuitry ensures consistent speed and performance even under load, adding to the tool's reliability. The Precision Control 2 double roller system enhances cut precision by minimizing blade deflection. The jigsaw is well suited for curve cutting, scallop cutting, and working with various materials, catering to the needs of woodworkers, kitchen installers, and other user groups. Durability is a key aspect of the design, featuring an aluminum gearbox, insulated cover, and a large die-cast aluminum footplate with tool-free adjustment for easy bevel changes. The tool also incorporates LED lighting and a dust blower for maximum cutline visibility. Users have praised the tool's convenience, ease of operation, and the toolless blade change system. The addition of bright LEDs and a blower enhances visibility during operation. The counterbalancing mechanism contributes to low vibration strokes, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Customer testimonials reflect high satisfaction, with users expressing delight in the tool's performance, ease of use, and the thoughtful design that addresses previous concerns with other models. The storage case is also appreciated for its quality. In conclusion, the Bosch JS572EK Jigsaw kit seems to have won over users with its combination of power, precision, and user-friendly features. While the price may be on the higher side, the tool's performance and durability justify the investment for those in need of a reliable and versatile jigsaw.